What's up everybody, I'm Kris from Avahi Design and welcome back to the Avahi channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the image of your child theme on the theme page. Let's go ahead and hop in. There's two parts to changing the image on the theme page. The first part's going to be creating the image, and then the second part is uploading it using FTP or your cPanel file manager. So for the first part, we are going to take a screenshot of the entire page. For that, I use a Google Chrome extension called Go Full Page. It does full page screen captures, and this is obviously a pretty small site, but it will do a screen capture, and then you just download the image. And then from there, we're going to open up Photoshop and we are going to create a 1200 by 900 document. So these are the recommended specs, and then we would just drag in our image. So we're going to have to resize this a little bit. Usually you're probably going to have more of an issue with it being too big, and you're going to have to kind of line it up the way that you want it to be lined up. After you get the image lined up, we are going to go ahead and save this as a PNG. So I'm just going to do export as. Okay, so we'll just select PNG and then export. You don't have to have transparency on, and you can use smaller file if you want, but we're just going to export. And whenever it brings up the dialog, the most important part is that it has to be named screenshot. If you name it something else, it's not going to properly upload to your theme page. So now that we have this screenshot set up, it's a 1200 by 900 Photoshop document with our screenshot put on it. You could put other things on it if you wanted to. You could just do the name. You could design something that you wanted to. It doesn't necessarily have to be just a screenshot. But once we have that file, we're going to go to our file manager on cPanel, and we're going to go to the root folder of our website. And then from there, we're going to go to WordPress content, themes, and then storefront child. And in here, you're going to see the files that we had from whenever we created a child theme. All you have to do is upload that image. And once that's uploaded, if you go back to the themes page on your blog or on your WordPress site and refresh, you're going to see that that screenshot's there now. And you'll see this is exactly lined up. So that's why we do 1200 by 900. It lines it up perfectly. So yeah, that's all it takes to upload an image for your child theme so that it shows up on your theme page. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.